Join me as I quest for the wild Durga. We're in east central Ohio. We're looking for the creature of the wilderness, of the not easily traveled. It is small yet powerful. Shall we find it? Who knows today? We have to be very, very quiet. Oh, I think I see it in the distance. Is that what I heard? Yes, it's calling. Let's be quiet. Shh. Have you seen it? Keep your head down. Don't let it see you first. Let's see if we sneak around here. I see it. I see it. We have found our elusive quest. Let's see how close we can get as we crawl past this little wood pile here. Yes, the elusive Durga, first spotted in 1901, has been the envy of people from Europe all through Asia. Let's see if we can spot it. There she is, the elusive Durga. What's up, YouTube? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I went and did it. Bought a used, but very, very, very little used 2018 Royal Enfield Himalayan. When I say very, very little used, it had 12 miles on it. The guy that I found it basically bought it, rode it home 12 miles from his dealer, put it in the garage and didn't touch it. I love finding deals like that. He decided he wanted a jet ski instead, so that's cool. Made it perfect for me. So I got it at a very, very, very good price, and you're going to see some really interesting things in the future with this bike. You remember me telling you about different road trips and ideas that I have? Well, one of them has always been to do the Trans-America Trail. That is before I get too old. I need a light bike. I've seen all these bigger bikes out there that are hundreds and hundreds of pounds, like the BMW GS's, and hyper expensive. I got into this bike, well, put it to you this way, it's very cheap. And it's only a 410cc engine, and that's okay, because I know I'm going to drop this little guy, but it'll be able to pick it up. And that's the whole key. I'll be doing the Trans-America Trail by myself. Unless somebody wants to come on. Hey, I'll put a challenge out to Shade Tree. Shade Tree, you got your KTM. Ride with me, baby. Yeah, I know that won't happen either. But anyway, what I want to tell you about is, we're going to make some modifications throughout the winter. This is going to be my winter project bike. I looked at different shovel heads, and I looked at different Dynas, and I looked at different FXRs, and I just couldn't find the right price for what I want to do. And I was going to turn one of the bikes into a scrambler, and I thought, yeah, I'm going to spend a lot of frickin' money doing that, and I'm not a person of real lot of money. So what I decided to do instead is to start looking for like a KLM or something of that nature, and lo and behold, I found this perfect Royal Enfield Himalayan. Now, I've never ridden a Royal Enfield until I brought it home, and I've actually quadrupled the mileage from the place that I got it from. Actually, more than quadrupled. I think by 6 or 7 times just to get it to the old property. But what I wanted to do with this thing is to upgrade it, put some bags on it so I can do some camping. And I'm not going to spend all the time in a campground or camping along the trail because I'm old. But what I am going to do, though, is I'm going to spend some time in the tent, but also some time in some hotels, and that's why I got this bike. It is capable of, not easily, but it's capable of highway speeds, but more important, it's got a lot of low-end torque. I will be making a lot of modifications to it. There'll be some crash bars put on it. I'm going to upgrade the engine a little bit, maybe make it a 460 in that time frame. I haven't decided yet. I might not. Hey, there's a bug. Get out of here, bug. I'm going to make a lot of modifications to it. We're going to be putting some crash bars on it. Don't know if I'm going to do the whole pannier thing with the hard metal panniers. I don't know about that. I think things that are metal, if they fall, they bend or break. Might do the soft. I haven't decided yet. That's way down the road. We are not going to touch this bike until the winter. This is going to be the winter project. The reason why I decided to do it that way is I was going to do a scrambler out of a Sportster or a Dyna, And the more I thought about it, how much money I was going to spend just to get to the basics, I think instead it'd be better for me to get something that is semi-prepared already. I know it's kind of cheating a little bit, but I am going to do a lot of modifications with it. Probably a fuel management system, a different exhaust, maybe an upgrade in the engine cubic centimeters a little bit. It's 410 right now. There are, hey bug, get off of there. It's 410 right now, but there are kits for 460 to 470 cubic centimeters for it. So we'll look at that. It is a beautiful bike. It fits my profile. It is black. And pretty much all except M's bikes in our stable are black. It's brand new. I mean, it's still got the 2-year warranty on it. Like I said, I didn't get it from a dealer. I got it from an individual who bought the bike and then decided that he would much rather have a jet ski. And so he rode it home and let it sit, which is great for me. I love finding these deals. Somebody says, well, you're a Harley guy. Yes, I am. I love Harleys, but I've had Triumphs, I've had Yamahas, I've had Suzukis, and I've also had Hondas, plus Norton, and a few other brands as well, too. Never had an Indian. But I decided to try this Royal Enfield based upon what Itchy Boots has done. And if you've never tried, I'll put the link down in the description. Itchy Boots is a Danish girl who travels the world on a Himalayan or Himalayan or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what the real name of it is, but regardless, and she doesn't seem to have any problems with it. And to me, that's important. Now, she's not going 90 miles an hour on the bike either, but neither will I on the Trans-America Trail. I mean, I've got Harleys for that. But somebody said, well, why don't you wait and get the Pan American? That thing's going to probably cost over $25,000. That's why I won't get a Pan American. Not that I don't want one. Holy crap, that would be like the ultimate. But I can't afford it. So, as a regular Joe, we're going to make the Himalayan ours and turn it into the bike that we want. You're going to see a lot of mods in the winter. Like I say, we'll see what happens. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different than we normally do. I normally don't do a bike reveal because I've already had them. This is the first, and it's not a new bike. It's a used bike. It's actually the newest bike in our stable, which makes it kind of fun. I'm getting a kick out of it. Like I said, I've rode it around the yard a little bit, and obviously rode it home did a little bit of highway. I didn't want to go too fast on the highway because it is still in the break-in period. And even though I normally don't break in bikes, this is not a Harley. I normally just ride them or break them in like I ride them. But I'm not sure how this will be. And the nearest dealer is like 2.5 hours away. And I don't know. But anyway, unless it's something major, I probably will do all the maintenance myself. Even though it's still under warranty. But to make a long story short, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let's put the subscribe over here today. And make sure you also hit the bell notifications, because that'll tell you when we have some new upgrades and some new fun, exciting videos coming up. Oh, we will be doing a couple moto camping with this bike. This beautiful area I'm in right now is one of my secret spots, and I rode it here so we could unveil the bike in the woods where it belongs. So until next time, ride safe and keep her on 2 wheels, baby.